Yeah. Hey guys, my sister literally locked me up in like this bird. She's like, "Oh my god, let's check out the birds," right? No, she literally locks me up in this bird. My two kittens were fighting, so I put him in timeout. That is not his cage, just like a travel cage. But I have a bag that is a travel cage, and this is the regular cage. But yeah, this is the bird that look. This is her and him, Bertavari, and she is in that cage. But I let her out in the day. She was literally like those two pigeons were literally fighting. I'm picking on her. Okay, step up. Good girl. Step up. Good girl. She doesn't. She's very shy with the camera, so I'm probably put this away. Go right there. Okay, it's really very big. She is a ringneck dove. I have not to I was supposed to be opening my presents, but someone locked me up in here. My sister. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna kill her after this. Yeah. Okay, you could get out timeout, but I'm stuck with this beautiful baby. It's okay. Because she does not like to be pet. Yeah, she likes to be stepped up. Step up. Step up. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, so she was in quarantine with my dad, and like she loves me now, but she's not like she's still like I'm still training her to get comfortable with me, and yeah, and the reason, well, those two phantom pigeons, I mean, non-pigeon and the phantom pigeons, not really used to me because they were like, I rescued them, but they don't know I rescued them, and they were in a abusive family, so they don't really trust anyone. But now they know, like, okay, this is a good home, but they don't really trust me because I don't judge them. Yeah, but he was newborn. I got him when he was newborn, but he was with my dad, so he was like a quiet, like unknown bird for a long time, and now he's like very very used to me. And her name is Zoe. She's like I think like 5 months old. Yes, she's 5 months. I mean like 6 months old. 6 months and 5 old. I don't know. 6.5 months old, and she has a huge cage. I spoil her a lot, and yeah, she still wants more things like that tree. When we were there walking, she never wanted to get out of it, so I had to take it off from the ground and put it in the bird virus. So yeah, and when we went to PetSmart, she got that cage, and then, well, I mean, in the flea market, it was all rusty, but we spray painted it, and then we left it for 2 days so she won't get that toxic smell. And I put natural branches. I only put like $2 purchase just in the bottle, so she won't really use that in that much. But she doesn't really use that. That's good because I don't really recommend dollar purchase because it hurts your bird's feet. And yeah, and I'm literally gonna take away that mop. It's like a mop. I don't know what they call it, but it's a shredding toy, and it's like people told me that, oh my god, it's bad for your birds. It could eat it and it could get surgery. Yes, I searched up, and yes, it is true. And yeah, so I'm gonna do like update on her cage in January 3 because I'm gonna keep her in my room, and she's gonna be the one like that stuff. And my parakeets are very used to me, except the white one. She's like very shy. She doesn't like be around with people, so I don't really force her to be around with people. So yeah, and I need to clean up this bird winery a lot, like a deep cleaning. And look, guys, you see those sticks like hanging from the roof? Those are huge sticks, and it broke off from that tree, and she was very like upset, my roommate does. And so I literally stick them up from the roof, and it's a low hanging thing, and she loves being in there now. And yeah, and these perches are for the peacock because he loves being on them. And yeah, and I made for my parakeets, Houston, because it's Christmas Eve, so why can't we just Yeah, but they love chop, they love tomato. Yeah, but I put in there I put millets or diet seed, apples, and tomato, and not that much. And I put a little bit of bananas that they didn't really eat that much, but they did like tomato. Yeah, and I spend the time with them outside the most. I care about them a lot, and I'm so happy because I don't know when we're gonna buy other fence so the parakeets could be all around. And the birds won't be locked up and I won't be scared because the parakeets, they're trained, so if they fly away they'll come back. I don't know how they come back, but yeah, we had these cracks in the floor and I didn't really trust them because when I was cleaning Zoe's cage, there was a hawk that almost ate Zoe while I was cleaning her cage, and I was like, nope, you're done, you're done. So I'm gonna buy these extra fence so they won't really, get these birds and parakeets, and the parakeets won't escape. And I'll probably buy I already have 3 bird feeders, and Zoe likes it a lot. The pigeons don't really use it, but they use that one right there, the one right there, and they use it a lot because it's right next to a double perch. And they're not small birds, so they won't get you climb that thing. So yeah, sorry guys, it's blurry. It's just my iPad is so cracked, and look, but and yeah, this is my non-pigeon. Focus. Okay, yeah, and my phantom pigeon is very in timeout. Okay, I'm gonna put him on timeout because she does not want to get off me. Okay, now we do it. Okay, I took her out of timeout because she was picking on the air. Oh my god. Why is it not focusing? Oh my god, my dirty hands! Oh wait, there were seeds. Okay. Ah! Okay, you're done. Okay, so, yeah, I'm just with my yeah, I'm not really kind of that close to her because she doesn't really like being on camera, so yeah. She's just gonna sleep in my arm always until I get that call out for my mom to open that door. Yeah. I just love being out here. I don't know why, but I'm my grandpa had a lot of animals. He was an animal person, and me too. So yeah. I used to have so I have wait. I have 9 wait, no, wait. 6, 7, oh, I have 8 birds, and my neighbor has 8 dogs, and then that neighbor had 8 cats. Yeah, we're it's a coincidence. They're the most common animals. Yeah. But I'm really scared because she lets her cats out, and my parakeets are here yeah. And I figured out that Zoe was a girl because she was the smallest out of the male. Yeah, she was only $12. They really told me are you gonna cook her? I'm I was literally crying inside my my mind. I was dying inside. But yeah, I don't know why you do that. It's so sad. And guys, you know what I love about Brownsville? I could just go in my backyard and see ringnecks in my backyard, like her. And I'm gonna build like a chicken coop right there for my pigeons because they love being out here, but I have to keep them in because a cat, hypnotized him and he fainted, and then ants, went inside his eyeball, and then yeah, and yeah. So that's why I need to keep them in there. So like every night I put them in there, then I take them out, and yeah. I don't like. They're gonna put that huge cage in my room. It's gonna be like, but it's not gonna be that much mess because she doesn't even make that much mess. What I love about ringneck doves are that they don't make that much mess. They're not that noisy, but they do cool. But she's a girl, so she doesn't really cool because cooing is like whoo whoo like that. But it's a laugh. But I think girls go like those like laugh that go like that, but they don't coo. So yeah, cooing is like something that impresses females. That's why I also noticed that she was a female because when I showed her to other female dove, she didn't coo or anything. She just kept on staring at her like, I'm better than you. But yeah, she's like, her eyeball used to be like black, but in the round it started getting like orange because someone was, doing, biting her, and I didn't even notice because like they were all like free and he kept on, So that's why I keep her in the cage. Let me show her her cage. Okay, so she has a rope. So she has those silver bowls and she has a rope perch, a toy that I'm gonna get out because she could eat that, and some natural branches. There's one right there, other one right there, and another one right there. A bird feeder, and then a log, and her nest, and a little ornament because And I keep their food diet and their millets. But I don't really have the food. I'm gonna buy some, but like after, like in Sunday, yes, I'm gonna buy the food. And yeah, she loves her food. She loves chop, so she has chop too. But I didn't really get to have time to make chop for her. So I'm gonna make chop for her today at 4 in the morning because I'm not gonna get out to my Christmas Eve party until 3 in the morning because we're Mexican. That's what Mexican people do, right? We have parties until like 3 in the morning, right? So I haven't made videos for a long time, except the one yesterday that I was gonna start making videos in January 3. This January 3, not next year. This January 3, I'm gonna make like morning routines and how to tame your bird. Okay, guys, I'm gonna tell you how I tamed my bird. So how I tamed Zoe is that first I didn't like grab her and put her in my arm like no you have to stay here. First I put her like I left her in the box for like an hour and I let her out of her box. Like she came like I didn't like take her out of her box. I just left it open. She got out by herself and I put seeds in the floor. Went on the floor like in that little cup and she spilled it, but it's okay. I didn't get mad at her because that's what birds like don't like. You're not supposed to get mad at a bird, like. Okay, I can't explain it, but yes, she spilled it, but I didn't get mad at her because it's not her fault, and she ate it, and I left her huge cage open. Well, I used the travel cage, and she loved going in there, and I left it open, and she flew to my bed, and I got a spoon of millets, and I put like one of these dowel perches on my arm, and went like that, and I was like I kept on feeding her treats, and like every day I fed her treats, and then went like on Tuesday I went like this, and she stepped on, and then we kept on doing it every day, and also for my parakeets. So your parakeet's right here, and you want her to step her up. You're gonna do the same thing, but you're gonna put your finger close, not too like far away from her. And every like minute, you're gonna go like this, and like this, and like this, and then until you get up to her, and then give her treats if she does. And then one time you're gonna do it, but do not give her treats, and she's gonna keep on doing it. I don't know why, but yeah, like her. Look, I'm gonna give her treats, and she's gonna step up. Step up. Step up. Good girl. Up. So yeah, that's how I tame my birds. You can't force them to do something, or else they won't really, have comfortable with you. Yeah. And if they poop, it's because it's a sign that they're scared, and yeah. Yeah. So I mean, it's not their fault because those are very clean, and she's gonna fly through. Oh, so did she already? She understands. So, oh my god. So yeah, yeah. Mom, let me out! I'm stuck in the bird. Mom, I'm stuck in the bird. My neighbor's dogs could hear me. Paola! Paola! I'm supposed to be opening my presents. JK, I already know it was closed. My sister was literally crying because she got everyone but her socks. I mean, be grateful. And like, right? Yeah. I'm gonna give my parakeets a huger cage because that is not something to keep the parakeets in. I mean, buying like, new stuff, like more toys. But PetSmart toys for birds are like so expensive. Look. Like, let me tell you the prices. This was like $13 each. This was like $14 a rope perch. The dollar purchase came with the cage. I mean, it came with this cage, but yeah. And then these natural branches were like $9. But I could easily just go in the bag and just get natural branches and just stick a needle like this. And yeah. She has 3 natural branches and a log and a swing. The toy was like $13. Yeah. Let me try to get my dog because she looks all over me and I don't want. Good girls. I'm getting out of my hand, so I was like, okay, step up, and she like step up, and then she kept like falling. Okay, so she was on top of her cage. That means she wanted to go inside her cage and look at her. She's like, oh my god, I need to like clean this cage. Look, dirt, and look, caca. Yeah, caca from you guys. Mom, I'm stuck in the bird. Paola! I'm stuck. here. Look, look. My God. My God. Paola. Okay, this one. Okay, never. Guys, this bird feeder is so loud to put food in. Like, I flinched. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the bird feeder since I'm bored. This is the first bird feeder. Why won't it focus? First bird feeder. I need to clean these bird feeders. This bird feeder, and Zoe has her bird feeder. I'm shredding this for like. And these are the bows. Yeah, this is the trash can that I literally had to pee in because my sister didn't even take me out. So, yeah, the cameras literally just saw everything. What in the world? I don't really mind being in here, but what I do mind is that I'm thirsty. My dog is bird fire. The only thing that they don't use, not my dog, my pigeon is they don't use this, but except my dog, he loves being in there, of course. Oh no, I've been here for like more than an hour. I haven't, like, my sister was like, came in and was like, okay, fine, oh my God, what do you want? I'm like, a water and my iPad. She's like, I'm only getting your iPad. I'm like, okay. She gives me my iPad. I'm like, why won't you take me out? Like, she literally, look. She literally slided my iPad under that brick, you know, that under the door. I literally had to put the brick back because I swear I left it open and my cockatiel bird, my parrot, got out. So sad. It was like $130. I want, you know, those pink birds. They're like $175, but yeah. Probably next year I could get one because it's not my birthday today. I'm like 11 years old and oop, they're mating. Yeah, okay, they're mating, yeah. I haven't had like eggs from any of them. I have like 2 girls and 2 boys. Well, I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have 4 boys in this bird and like 4 girls and this bird like, you know what I'm saying, and like, what in the world was that, Paola! The dogs keep on barking at me like, stop talking, I'm trying to poop. Like I literally wish there was like a huge hole under, like, you know, the cage, and I could just go whoop whoop. But of course not. I don't know what that scream was. They're gonna throw that pink ball at her. Like when I asked her for my iPad, it was like 20 minutes. She didn't bring it. I said, "Oh my God, I forgot I locked you up in here." Like, I literally need to get dressed for the Christmas Eve party. Wait, there has. Oh my God, there could be a way I could get out. Look, you guys. Look, what is this? Oh my god. No, I can't reach. No. The lock is right there. Like, why? Okay, look. There's a crack right there. But I could, like, oh my god. Get out here. Waking up in the morning. And there's so many things. I wish things would get better. Okay, we're gonna. How are we gonna get out? You're done. You're on. You're done. Okay, we're just gonna shut up. Oh my god, I literally can't. My arm. Oh my god. Man. Oh my god, I literally can't. Ow. Oh. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, I'm literally gonna live here. So that's gonna be my bed. This is gonna be like, my couch. This is gonna be my TV. This is gonna be like my pets. And this is gonna be like, my window. Oh, this is gonna be my beautiful floor. And up here is gonna be my kitchen. And it's so beautiful, so aesthetic. Now I'm just gonna sit down. My feet are hurting. Oh my god, I don't even know what to do. I'm stuck in here. Help! Oh my god. Oh my god. I swear guys, there's literally no one. Like, I want to scare my neighbors. I think that, like, something, I don't even know. So, yeah. Look at, that tells that she is loyal. She's like so sleepy. Yeah. And she looks so cute when she puffins up and, she brings. Yeah. Oh my god, imagine having 8 different birds. Well, I can't because Paola locked me in here for 23 minutes. I don't know. 27 minutes actually. I'm free! Bye guys.